Welcome back to Immigration and Jobs Talk Show. Today we are diving into one of the most sought after work visas in the US, the H-1B visa. Whether you are a software engineer, healthcare worker, or financial expert, this visa could be your ticket to working in the US. Let's break down everything you need to know in this detailed guide. What is the H-1B visa? The H-1B visa is a non-immigrant work visa designed for foreign professionals in specialty occupations. These roles require specialized knowledge and, in most cases, at least a bachelor's degree. For example, jobs in tech, engineering, healthcare, and finance commonly qualify as specialty occupations. The key is proving that your role needs expertise that only a professional can offer. Here's the catch. H-1B visas are capped annually. 65,000 visas are available under the regular cap. An additional 20,000 visas are reserved for individuals with advanced degrees from US universities. Find an employer. You need a US employer who is willing to sponsor your H-1B visa. Labor Condition Application or LCA. Your employer must file this with the US Department of Labor. It ensures your job meets wage and working condition requirements. H-1B petition. Once the LCA is approved, your employer submits the H-1B petition to USCIS. But here's where it gets tricky. Because of high demand, H-1B petitions are selected through a lottery system. If your petition is picked, USCIS will review it and decide whether to approve it. Once approved, you can apply for your visa at the US consulate and prepare for your move. Benefits of the H-1B visa? Let's talk about why the H-1B visa is so popular. Here are some key benefits. It's a dual intent visa, meaning you can apply for permanent residency or green card while on it. You can bring your spouse and children under 21 to the US on H-4 visas. In some cases, H-4 spouses can even work using an EAD. The visa is valid for 3 years with an option to extend for another 3 years. It provides opportunities to work in some of the world's top industries like IT, healthcare, and finance. An H-1B visa isn't just a work permit. It's a stepping stone to career growth and new opportunities in the US. Challenges and FAQs. But it's not all smooth sailing. Here are some common challenges. The lottery system. With demand often exceeding supply, many qualified applicants don't make it past the lottery stage. Employer dependence. You can only work for the employer who sponsored your visa unless you transfer it. Renewal anxiety. Extensions can feel like starting the process all over again. Here are a few FAQs. Can I switch jobs on an H-1B visa? Yes, but your new employer must file an H-1B transfer. What happens if my visa is denied? You can appeal or explore other visa options. Can I apply for a green card? Absolutely. The H-1B visa is one of the best paths to permanent residency. That's everything you need to know about the H-1B visa. In our next video, we'll help you determine if you're eligible for this life-changing opportunity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who's dreaming of working in the US. See you next time.